So talk a little bit about the different size formats that you can shoot in video. We have what's called 4K. A lot of drones will shoot 4K and everybody says, oh, 4K, we got to have 4K. What that basically means is that one of the sides of the images has 4,000 pixels going across, so it's a very large file. The disadvantages of shooting in 4K is that it's very large files. You need a very fast card, you need very large cards, and it can bog down a lot of computers. You need a fast computer to really process it and use it in the editing programs. Now, there's also 2K is right above 1080p, and 1080p is high definition. And the nice thing about shooting in that format is if you're using it on YouTube or anything like that, there's no reason not to just keep it in that format. Like this video here is shot in 1080p because we're only going to be using it on YouTube. If you're trying to do something cinematic where you want to use it on a big screen, definitely shoot in 4K. The other advantage of shooting in 4K is that you're giving your image or your video longevity because you're anticipating when 4K is going to be commonplace. Basically when all the computers have enough speed to run it all the time and everybody's going to be using that, and by then they'll go to 8K, which should just be 8,000 pixels across one of the edges. So the other advantage of shooting in 4K is that if you convert to 1080p, you're basically about the size of 1/4 of what you shot on 4K. So that means that you can zoom in on that in post. You can do all kinds of stuff in post that you can't do shooting on 1080. So what you want to shoot on is up to you. I almost always shoot in 4K because I have the computer power to take care of it, and I have large enough cards in the drone to take care of it and fast enough cards to process it quickly. Then I can always use whatever I want to do in post and change it around. So try shooting 4K. If it works and your computer can handle it, shoot that. If not, use 1080p and just enjoy your videos. The main thing is just get out and shoot. Wait, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notifications of all the new videos that I put out each week. And also how it looks. Oh, you're shooting now? Okay, good. I probably should talk. All right, so I'm talking. So there we go.